So there's some organ stuff that goes for quite a while to get this one started. And then we come in on like the second beat of a measure, like 1. Holding that F, 3rd fret of the D, and then we go. So that's all Fs. That's an F here in the 8th fret on the A string, sliding down. Big 1, 3 on the D string, 1 on the E string. And then there's an organ thing, dee-dum-dum-dum-dum. We're gonna hit chicks with that. We're gonna go dee-dum-dum-dum-dum. And that's like an upbeat to the second beat. 1, 3, 1. And to the 2 there for that little 8s, bottom 2 8s there. Okay, so we had 1. Hold that a little bit, and then you got da-dum-dum-da-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum-dee-dum-dum-dum-da-dum-dum. So it does a little bit more keyboards, and then we're gonna have this riff here. So it's a 3 on the A to 1 to 3 on the D slide, but you kind of have this 3 on the A go real quick. Barely even hear it. And then right before we start the next riff, we're gonna have one little chick, like on the 4th beat. Okay, so that was sliding. I do a slide on there with my ring finger. D string, 1 to 3. So it's slide into the 3. And then 1 over here in the G, back to that 3. 3, 1, 3, 1. So. Okay, so dum da da dee da da da. 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. Bend the 4 on the 2nd string there. Be sure to download the free tabs in this, it'll make it a lot easier. So we got. Hold that, and then. So we have. Bend the 4, and then 4, 1, 4. And then 1 on the 2nd to 4 on the 3rd string there. 1, 1, 1. 4, 3 to 1 pull off. 3 down to 3 and back. And then. Okay, so that was. Then we have. So that was 5 on the G to 6 on the B, and then 4 on the 1st string. Bend the 6. 4 to 6, and then 6 on the 2nd string. So we got 6 on the 2nd, 4, 6 on the 1st. Double pull off, 7, 6, 4. It ends with 6, 6, 6, 4 with a little bend. So let's go back. 5, 6, 4. Then we're gonna go 6 with the 1st finger on the 2nd, and a 1.5 step bend on that 8. So that was 8, 7, 6, back to 8, and then back to that 6 on the 2nd. Then we're gonna bend the 9 2nd string down to its 9 there. 6, 9. Bend that 8 kind of up and down, kind of go down towards the end of the neck. Then we're gonna come back in the. Then this is all the same except there's one less note. It doesn't try to do that. It's kind of a little slower. So do dee dum 4 3 1 3 1 3. Now we're gonna go to this lower 3 on the 5th string. So 1 to 3, quick on that A string. This adds a little different note in here. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the A. So 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. Now here at the end we got. So we're gonna slide into the 3. You might even go middle finger here. So we have a 2, 4, 2. That's A to E strings back. 1 to 4, 1 on the A, 4 on the big one. 1, 2, 3 on the A, down to 1 here. 2, 1, 4, 1. So we got. So let's go on back to the beginning of this riff thing. 5, 6, 4. Back to that riff. And then we go to the A string to the 3. Okay, then we're into the solo where he's. Okay, real ripping solo. We're not going to get into that today. We're going to get into the rhythm behind that solo. Okay, so that was big 1, that F, and then we got 3, 1 on the D, pull off to the 3 on the A. So we'll do that 4 times. Let's try that together. 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go to the B flat here on the A string. So just 1, 3 on the G, slight bend on that 1 there to that 3 on the D. So we just do that twice. Then we're gonna have a little different one on this F. 3, 1, 3. It's kind of a basic one. Then we got 1 on the G, open G, back to this riff. Rest, C7 sharp 9. You got 3 on the A, 2, 3, and 4. So let's try all that again. 2, 3, 4. And sometimes later it'll go 1, open, 3 on the D, and then rest. Raise 9. Okay, so let's go back through everything. We got 1. Keeps going. Then you got. Alright, Lazy by Deep Purple, that gets you started. That goes about 3 times, and then it's an organ solo. Kind of has different variations of this same riff in F to B flat, the C turnaround, all that. And then it kind of takes you up into the next key, so it's like. And then you're into the verse. Okay, so we'll have another lesson where we get into that first solo and more into the further into the song. So thanks a lot for watching. Lazy Deep Purple. Got a tab. Check it out. See y'all later.